Let's Test is making water quality testing an easy experience in off-grid locations around the world. Our solution is cost-efficient and easy-to-use equipment. Simplify water testing for over 20 key parameters like residual chlorine, fluoride, nitrate, iron, pH, manganese, and many more WHO-defined parameters with the LETZTEST Color Comparator Kit. 3 individual testers and everything else you need is packed into a lightweight hard shell case for on-the-go water analysis. With this kit, you can integrate 3 of your remote water technicians. It's easy and quick for anyone at any time. No electricity or batteries required. No maintenance. No calibration. Ideal for off-grid locations. Fully compatible with the exchangeable reagents of the LETZTEST digital photometer. Using the same long-lasting reagents, this reduces your logistical efforts and overall costs to the minimum. Find detailed information about the LETZTEST Visual Color Comparator Kit at LETZTEST.com. Made in Germany and a trusted member of the German Water Partnership. LETZTEST. Enjoy off-grid water testing.